Just do it, bro. Pick a camera or use any of the cameras from your devices. Make any random topic or niche you can think of and just do it. Do it right now or anytime you are free to do it. If you are free, just keep posting, alright? Just don't let any one view discourage you. Keep posting. YouTube will show your content in the algorithm to the homepage, alright? Even if you have like 10 views, keep posting. And soon you see yourself having 1k subscribers, 1k views, 10k views, 100k views, what if even a million. Just do it. Just if you have money to buy a camera, buy a camera. If you can use any camera from your devices, use it. Just do it, man. Do it. Do it. You have your choice. Pick your choice and do it. You know what you can do, right? Be a YouTuber, not a TikToker. Don't do TikTok, alright? 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 Yeah. If you want to become a YouTuber, listen to my advice. Not like this, you'll probably have only like one view